Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have my Trend Mood Box Volume 3, and as you can tell, I look insane. But since this box is the same, everyone gets the exact same items, I thought we could go ahead and try them on. Nothing too crazy. I'm just going to go through the products, give you my initial thoughts. Most of them are brand new to me, so I am really curious to see what we're working with. But I'm bare skin apart from my brows, so we're going to dive in. So this is going to be a little bit more relaxed. If I seem like I have no idea what's going on right now, I've been up since 5:30 and it's about 5 in the afternoon now. It's been a day. So let's go ahead and get to it. Unwrapping. Oh, I didn't realize that they actually put the petals in there. It's so cute. So this one went for $42, but the amount of product in here is insane. First, my lips are so dry right now. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. This smells so amazing. If you're near a Sephora, pop in, smell it. It feels amazing. So I already wanted this, and this goes for $22. So $42 for the box, $22 for the lip balm. I was like, this is an absolute no-brainer. I love the packaging. It's very cute, girly, sleek. And here is the balm. Yes. Oh, hallelujah. My lips were like screaming. My lips are just so dry right now that I need like layers of hydration. It says this one hydrates, smooths, and tints the lips, which you can already see my lips are turning nice and pink. It's a scrub to balm concentrated with watermelon, coconut, sugar, and flower AHA. Okay. So you do feel like this slight little grittiness in the beginning. It's very, very mild. It's nothing like a, sugar lip scrub where it's like really granulated. It's just like a little tiny bit. It massages in. My lips are super smooth now because this is basically like 2 lip scrubs that I've used today. But I love the consistency afterwards, and the little flush of pink is really cute. It smells like watermelon candy. It is so yummy. It smells just like the mist or the watermelon juice moisturizer if you've used that. It's like watermelon Jolly Rancher. It's so good. There's so much in here. It's crazy. All right, so we do get 2 serums in this box from BOSCIA. This is crazy. So they are both new. This is the Vitamin C with Caviar Lime Booster Serum, and then the Vitamin B12 Hydration Booster Serum. Cute packaging. I love the pastel colors. Okay, packaging is really cute. I love their new packaging. So the Vitamin B12 Hydration Booster Serum is like a biphase, so you do want to shake this up before you use it. And then the Vitamin C with Caviar Lime Booster, of course, with the Vitamin C, it has a solid packaging. That way the light will not affect it. I will put the prices of these on the screen. Okay, I'm going in with the Vitamin C with Caviar Lime Booster Serum. What is Caviar Lime? Has really no scent. Please ignore the redness. My skin just does that no matter what I do. We're gonna be super extra. I'm using both. So that's the little biphase in this one. Again, the B12 Hydration Booster Serum. Oh wow, it's pumping out and you can still see it like trying to separate a little bit. Again, no scent. I love that. That one actually feels really nice. It's hydration, but it's definitely on the light side. Okay, so far so good. I like both of these. I can't say, oh, it looks so pretty. It looks like those little beads that, I don't know, our grandmothers used to put in vases with like fake flowers that were like squishy beads. Am I the only one? I don't know. I did make iced coffee, but it's like not kicking in up here. Next, we got something from Good Molecules, and I do believe this is a new product. This is the Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. So this is what the box looks like. I'm going to let those serums sink in a little bit, and then we're going to try these out while I do my eyes. I'm so excited about the next step. I have tried some Good Molecules and I do like the products. I need to really dive in. I have a few more that I haven't tested out yet, but the ones that I've tried I really liked, so hopefully these will be no different. I love under eye patches too. I've been using the Derma E ones lately. Ooh, so they're just like a clear gel. So I'm going to use my little scoop. Oh wow, and you can use these basically everywhere. You can use them in either direction under the eye. They firm, hydrate, depuff, and brighten. And it's got all these areas. I'm about to drop this. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm not sure if it will really show up. It's showing all the areas you can place these. So personally with these, when they're shaped like this. Looks like a little quotation mark. I like to put the smaller side under my eye. I just have a lot of dryness right out here in this like crow feet type of area, and I want to make sure that that's nice and plump. If you have a lot of bags right here, you might want to flip it the other way around. This is just what works for me. I think with a lot of these eye patches, they kind of let you know you can use them either way, just depending upon what area you need to target the most. All right, can you see them? These feel so refreshing. They're nice and cool when you put them on. Most of these too, I will store in the fridge to get them nice and cool, especially when it's hot and you're like, okay, I need to do my makeup, but I am like burning up right now. It would be a good thing to put them in the fridge. So again, formulated to firm, energize, and hydrate tired eyes. Apply on freshly cleaned but dry skin. I really didn't put my serums right up under my eyes, so we're probably good. Gently press into skin. A lot of them do want to slide around. I'm not really seeing that with these yet. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes for a quick energized result. Massage remaining serum into skin. Follow up with normal skincare. Okay, so we are good to go. So you might want to put these on before your serums. We'll see if that has any effect. But of course, with just a face serum, I didn't put it like right up under the eye. So I think we'll be okay. And they included not one, not two, but 3 e.l.f. primers. That's really crazy. So we got the Poreless Putty. This is the Universal Poreless Putty with Squalane. I think that's the one that I have already. The Matte Putty Primer, and also the Luminous Putty Primer in Universal Glow. So this one has hyaluronic acid and collagen. I'm going to put the original to the side, and we're going to save that for a giveaway because I do already have it and I really like it too. So when we go into foundation, I'm going to probably put the Luminous all over and then put the matte like right around my nose area where I get a little bit shiny. So I'm going to put them to the side for just a second. And then the last 2 things are super exciting. So we have the Violets by Juvia's Place and the Berries by JUVIA'S, and I haven't looked at these up close yet. Obviously I'm just unboxing, but they look so beautiful. I do love my JUVIA'S palettes. I have maybe 4, I can't remember which ones I have, but I have a mini one, I have like 3 or 4 full-size ones, and I really love their shadows. They are intense, they're pigmented, and I haven't come across any that haven't blended well and performed great. So really excited, and I love that because there are some more affordable items in here that they put multiples. Like they could have easily put one of these JUVIA'S palettes and we probably still would have been going crazy over it, but to put both of them, that's so exciting. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, so first, their packaging is always gorgeous. The pinks, the berries, oh my god, it's gorgeous. Let me go ahead and open the violets. I'm kind of tempted to do one on each eye. I'm trusting that this formula is going to be good. Like, I have high expectations because I love my other JUVIA'S palettes. This is pretty too. The only thing about this one is this Violets has 4 like shimmers, metallics, whatever you want to call them, and only 2 mattes. I really like that this one has more mattes. As you guys know, I am forever preaching about mattes. I love matte shadows. So this is the front, and here are the violets. So I'm just gonna lay down a little bit of JEFFREE Star Concealer on just one eye for now. I like to go kind of one at a time, especially when I'm using a base that is a little bit tackier. I kind of wish this had a mirror because it would be nice like when you're traveling to be able to use it because it's a great travel friendly size, but you know, it does kind of keep the cost down sometimes not to have a mirror in a palette. It's more affordable and it's definitely very lightweight as well, which is great for travel. I'm taking my Stands Out Beauty Sponge just to press that in a little bit. I don't know which palette to use, honestly. They both look so gorgeous. Let's just go for the violets, why not? All right, so I'm just gonna take this shade right here and go directly on the lid. Obviously, if you want a more subdued look, you can grab a neutral palette, go in with a transition like you normally would, or you can just go straight in with some color and do something a little bit more intense. So I'm taking a pretty big fluffy brush, knowing that I'm gonna lay this down and then I'm just gonna blow it out. Ooh, that's a pretty color. And one thing I love about Juvia shadows is they're typically so intense and so blendable, buttery, that type of thing, that I can do an eye look so quick. It doesn't take a lot of work. So I just cleaned off the excess and I'm just gonna buff the edges of the shadow. that shadow really grabbed to that base and is so intense. It looks beautiful. That was definitely quick and easy. I'm gonna take the other matte, which is this really dark purple. I'm gonna take a smaller brush. There's like no kickback in these shadows whatsoever. So I'm just gonna start to pack it in the crease and outer corner. Now this look is not perfectly blended at this point, but it's pretty close. Like, I cannot complain at all. Alright, so honestly, I don't want to complicate this too much, so I'm going to take this shade right here, which looks to be a little bit more metallic. Oh, how pretty. Let me go ahead and swatch all these metallics and make sure that that's the one that I really want to use. They're so pretty. You've got like every purple metallic that you need, but I'm thinking that I still want to go with this one. It'll make it a little bit softer, but it's like this lavender hint of periwinkle. It's so pretty. And that's with no like sticky base, nothing. That's just straight on with the finger. So what I'm going to do is take the berries and kind of do the same like very basic shape that I did over here with the berry palette. It's so pretty. I definitely am going to take this lighter pink matte. Again, I'm loving the mattes in here. This formula is a little bit more of like a sequin. I'm just basing that off what Tati calls them, but it's like a matte with like a shimmer in it. But there really are a matte finish, and then you have two that are metallic or shimmer. I really like the layout of this one. I like the ratio. I just threw it.
Please don't be broken, please don't be broken. Yes.
I'm so excited to just get started doing this other eye that wasn't even going to put any base on. Alright, well my camera got a little fired up about this unboxing and decided to overheat. But I did my other eye, really simple, honestly, like such an easy eye look. So blendable, so pigmented. I love these JUVIA'S palettes, but I'm not surprised in the slightest because I do love their other palettes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face, and then I will go do my other makeup and come back and tell you guys how it went. So first off, I'm going to use the Luminous Putty Primer. I'm just going to use this all over except for right around my nose area where I get a little bit oily. Usually just shiny, like not extreme oil. Ooh. It actually feels really nice. So I have it here on my finger. I don't know how well you can see, but it's got a little bit of a glow and it's really pretty. I feel like this would be really nice even on its own. If you want to wear like no makeup day, a little mascara, put some of this on for like a healthy glow on the skin. I think that would be really, really pretty. My lips also feel amazing, by the way. Still feeling so good. My under eye is super hydrated. I feel like it's prepped for concealer. And then I'm going to take the matte Putty Primer. And like I said, I'm just taking this between my fingers and putting it right here, only where I need it. I have sometimes a little bit of shine on the chin, but mainly focusing right around the nose and then right into the cheeks just here. I sometimes get a little shiny on my forehead, but honestly, it's not enough for me to worry about. I feel like it looks like a healthy shine, but sometimes on my nose, it's just a little bit too much. So that is what we're looking like with my two primers on. I'm really excited for these. Like I said, I already love the original one, so I will gladly put my backup in a giveaway for you guys so that one of you can experience it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off my face and my eyes, and when we come back, I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts on the Trend Mood box, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so here is my finished makeup look. I decided to kind of flip-flop the under eye, so I got pink over here, purple over here, berries, violets, but I really, really love everything in this box so far. I know some of them I am going to test out some more and see, but really, like, the palettes are obviously so gorgeous. I already loved the e.l.f. primer, so I think I'm gonna like the other two versions just as much. The serums from BOSCIA I am going to test out. Obviously with skincare it's gonna take a while to see, but as far as, you know, texture, there's no fragrance, ingredients, things like that, I'm liking them so far. I put a little bit more of the lip balm on, so my lips were a little bit pinker, and I really, really like that as well. And the under eye patches too. Like, I'm really excited for everything. I think I will definitely incorporate every item into my routine some more and see how they go. But for $42, I really don't think that you could beat this. 2 palettes, 3 primers, 2 serums, a lip balm, under eye patches, like so much. And I really, really love that you get new products in these boxes as well. So again, if you guys are interested in getting the Trend Mood box, there's a few things that you probably should do is go ahead and go over to trendmood.box on Instagram and sign up for the email. If you have multiple emails, I actually put both my emails in there because I was like, you know, maybe one will come through before the other, but the early access, they've changed a little bit as well. So this time you got the password for early access well in advance so that when early access began, everybody had the password already. It actually sold out in early access before I could get my hands on it. As soon as it launched, I got it, and then literally 10 seconds later, I checked again and it was sold out. So I was lucky to get my hands on it. And again, there is no set day of the month or price or items. Everything is going to be different every single time. So just keep up with it on Instagram. I will always post everything on my Instagram stories. So any like updates on what items are going to be in the box, when it launches, the price, all that good stuff, I will try to keep you guys updated as well. So if you follow me on Instagram, just be sure you're checking out the stories. Obviously, you can follow TrendMood1 and TrendMood.box, and they will keep you updated as well. I've gotten volume 1, 2, and 3 so far, and I definitely see myself trying to get future ones as well. They are selling out really fast, so if you really want the items in the upcoming box, be sure you are on your game. Put your email down for the early access. That's going to be imperative, so at least you get a shot at the first group, and if you miss it, you get a shot at the regular launch. But man, people are going crazy for it, but I do think it's a really, really good deal. For all the products I got, $42 is a steal. So that is everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for checking it out. Let me know if you like this style of unboxing where I try things on. I'm not spending a lot of time on every item, but just to kind of show you it in action really quick, I feel like it kind of spices it up. Otherwise, it's just like a really simple unboxing, and with this one, you know what you're getting. So hopefully you guys like it, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!